Bring up, raise a child. They brought her up to be a Catholic. He was brought up on jazz. Call up, telephone. When I'm in Pittsburgh, I call him up. Sometimes I even call up at 4 a.m. Catch out, trick. The exam is designed to catch you out. The examiner will try to catch you out, so stay calm and drink carefully before you speak. Chop up, cut into small pieces. I chopped up the vegetables for the soup. The bodies were chopped up and thrown overboard. Come back, return. I left work and came back home early. When will you came back from Paris? Fall out, lose her. He's started getting worried about baldness because his hair is falling out rather quickly. A side effect of the treatment is that your hair starts to fall out. Freeze over, become covered with ice, lake, river, pond, and etc. The weather was very severe and the lake froze over. By January, the lake had started to freeze over. Get behind, support. All the students got behind the teacher. If every member of the top management team doesn't get behind this project, it's never going to work. Go with, date, have a relationship with. She's been going with him since she was at university. Did he ever go with anyone else while they were living together? Knock up, become or get someone pregnant. She got knocked up when she was on holiday. You don't want to get knocked up by some guy you hardly know.